If you're stuck choosing between Instantly AI, Lemlist, and Smartlead, this is the tutorial for you, as I'll help you to choose the right cold email tool for your setup. This breakdown is perfect for beginners and growing teams who want replies, not spam complaints. I've included links in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up for completely free. Now let's dive in. What is Instantly AI? Instantly AI is built for fast cold email setup. It offers simple sequences, inbox rotation, easy campaign launch. Instantly is popular because it's easy to start and scales quickly without much setup. By the way, this is how your dashboard will look once you're signed up, as you can see right here. On the other hand, what is Lemlist? Lemlist focuses on email quality. You'll get deep personalization, strong warm-up, and better control over deliverability. It's ideal when reply rate matters more than speed. And last but definitely not least, what is Smartlead? Smartlead is built for scaling outreach safely. It shines when managing many inboxes, sending higher volume, and running agency campaigns. Now, let's talk about their workflow difference. When it comes onto Instantly, it gives you speed and simplicity, while Lemlist on the other hand offers strong personalization and Smartlead offers scale and control. And if we were to quickly look at their pricing starting with Instantly, let's check out its pricing. So let's go onto their pricing page. As you can see right here, you can get started for free and their monthly plan begins at $47 and it can go up to $358. While with Lemlist on the other hand, if we were to check out their pricing page, you can also get started for free and their monthly plan begins at $69 and can go up to $99. While with Smartlead on the other hand, you can also try it out for completely free and their monthly plan begins at $39 and can go up to $374. So in conclusion, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose Instantly AI to start fast, while on the other hand, you can choose Lemlist for better replies, and Smartlead is perfect if you're going to go for scale. I've included links in the pinned comment and description, and also I've added a PDF that you can use to assist you in better choosing. Thanks for watching.